Okay, hello guys. Nice to check the market. By the way, this week we start to trade around 24.5k. We got 25 and we are back under 25. Something middle. Okay. Let's still at horizontal and trend lines. We don't need. Just yesterday forgot. Okay. I'm still at this scale fix. Today we don't need. Okay. Yes, if we need. Okay. Open here. We made with the first candle. Asian low. After restarting, PO push up, go to sideways. 140 pips. It's on my Oka move. We just bank this. Okay, let's check something new high. Here. Here. And it's here. This middle will our not so trade range. Here's a possible, and here the up it's more safe. So this person. Okay. I just need to see where we can go if we continue up. Let's see right next this. It's sideways. And again here. Okay, that's not here. And we are still up. Let's see how we can close. Okay, that's full. Now I'm going from here. To 800. So. Okay. Let's switch here. Well, pick up down. We'll move. Okay. Counter breakdown here. Because you see, go down, go up, go down, stop, reject, and again. It's a possible buy, but not the best. There's a possible first sell. We are overbought. This is why pushing up, down, up, down. When this finish, we have double bottom. And we have news in 55 minutes. German Germany service PME and composite PME. Let's get a little a push for us the volume and open. Let's see. 10 seconds. We will see based on the volume if I take here sell or not or buy. Okay. Pick up, done. Recheck the last high. Pick them down. Let's see. Continue up. But I don't so like how struggling. Okay. Let's see the big picture. Let me mark. Yeah, I need break up there. That's so well. I personally need to break up this zone. But touch it now. Or if reject this zone and continue down and break, it's very nice. It's a level. You can go for a sell here. We'll see. Make a new high, but it isn't a problem because rejected this area. This is why I mark this as a level. To see if break this level and how much push in the next SR. If you can break up this level, it's okay for a buy. If you can break, but pushing down, it's okay for a sell. We go out from this no trade range here. Let's look if break up or not. You see, again, make a, I don't know, 2 pips higher high, and again rejected very hard. 18 pips. Just 2 pips up and pass around 20 pips. This is why more forming for us. So you'll see if you can break down this candle, or we'll play here how to close, and if you check the next candle. If you can close bearish, it's a better way to the next candle. But you'll see in a 2 minutes. How you know I don't trade the last minute. I don't allow to hold. Sure, not enter in the last minute, and in the last 1.5 minutes, it's a great account. It's coming now. If you wanna try, but it's a more risky. Because if close somewhere here and make a bit up and also start pushing down, it's okay for sell in the next candle. Me personally don't enter. It's okay, around 70% confirm. But based on my rules, I don't enter. Because so push down. And in the last minute, it's just a 50-50 if break down and fully pull back, or really break down. Let's right now retest this SF. What only don't like me is starting to break in a 50. That's me. If we can break in a 50 here, it can go down, but after very big push. Not like this. Yes, sir. Okay. Let's look out. Auto open. If it will pull back now, make a bigger recap. It's okay. By the way, we pure touch. Name 50. So over here. In case flip and break down. It's again 80%, 90% here down. If don't break this lower and start it to push down, I prefer it's a lower here. Let's break the flip or fully down. Not just here, 90%. If we will have enough volume, then we break down number 50. If you take this trend, okay, here, it's around 30 pips. Me personally don't like risk this, because if you long term will take this trend, you don't feel so high win rate on this type of entries, this lower confirmation. Maybe sometimes when you miss this, okay, you will maybe no trade day if now can flip, but if you will have just 40-50% breakdown here, and the pullback will bigger, like push down, you will long term on this trend in a loss. Now it's very interesting if break down or not. Because it's the stress from news. For the flips, for a buy, I allow when we have markets, when so fast open, make a little bit down, but in 2-3 seconds, 20, 40, 50 pips push up, and full candle pushing up without a rejection. And after when close with a small wick or without wick, and also make a wick up and start to push down or opposite, it was very nice opportunity how to scalp the second candle, the begin. But this year I don't see these moves. It was in 2024, 2025, till something November or October. We'll see how much filling up, how to react for mainly this resistance. because made higher low, lower high, into starting sideways. If you don't break this or break and pull back and again break, it's an opportunity for a snap buy around 10 pips. Let's to see if break up or not, because this is a main SR. It and down, so small. For my confirmation, if pulling back and break again higher the same candle, if you'll just a push like here, for me it's not enough confirmation, because maybe we can push 5, 7, 10 pips, and after pulling back 20 pips. Okay. Now, in the rubber effect, now one break. This level can go back and break up again. And we'll be flipping price. Okay, make a big down. It's still okay. Till don't break up this price, we don't do nothing. It will be nice as the entry here and start with a bigger breakdown. But don't do. And in this situation, you need to check what's happening and first reanalyze the chart. Okay, let's see if it breaks up. We have 3 minutes. It's very nice. Okay. First. Second. Let's see if we'll back before third breakup. If not, for a third we can go for a buy. If make higher like last time, I need to see. Okay, touching. If again break up, it's okay. Okay, take a buy. Let's see how was fake out or not. Okay, pulling back. It's not something bad if entry and start pulling back, but how much? You just a healthy pulling back, and after start pushing up, it's okay. Okay, here are on the entry. If you entry same level. Okay, flipping around entry, we have 2 minutes. Okay. Okay. It's a flipping because retesting this area. It's candlesticks and mainly this price. And we break up here. 5 pips. It's a higher chance to continue up. And we are in a last 1.5 minutes. And we once break the 5 pips if I see good. Around 4 or 5 pips, yes. Let's see. We are making a big fill from this first push. This is why I so recommend in this candle close some profit in 1 minute, and we're breaking up 4 or 5 pips, maybe a little higher, maybe not. It's on you, but profit in close 5, 7, 10 pips. But I so recommend that I will try same. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. We have 29 seconds. 4, 5, 5, On 5 struggling, 7, 8, 8, 9, okay, 18 seconds, 5, 5, 6, 7, okay, 13 seconds. Try to close something what you like a profit. 6, 9, okay. I close around 9 in last 3 seconds. You have to make how much? Make a 2 pips more. And just now, we have 8 pips. That's 57 to 65. 8. 8.21. In the same situation that we hold, I think, Monday, it's almost on to big down. I got little. Let's to take out the trade history to see more. It's open with a gap. It's crazy. Look, open with two people with a gap. It's making coming news. And this is what I see. Okay, I don't hold because yes can make me next time pips and close around 15 17 pips out to take profit. But personally, when end of the candle I'm in a profit in a nice like 5 7 10 bips, I am more allowed to close like a hold in a one situation. I hold when it's pending around healthy loss, but maybe don't make a big down and don't stop out auto stop loss, but can push up because if you don't over risk, you don't stress what if hit stop loss, what if don't hit stop loss. And now some Haitians starting again flipping. Here's my trade history. If you don't close, now it's a pending for 4 to 8 pips. Make a higher high, make a new Asian high, London high, higher like Asian high. It was the open candle. Here's an Asian high, the 950 from previous session. Now what you again see? Near for a flip, so it's a heart. Here you're in the middle. Next opportunity for us here. But if you are okay with your profit, don't over risk your profit, don't overtrade. This is the point. Use every day they open. It's 5, 10, 15 minutes take for you from your time. And you don't need over risk, overhunt. If you miss from this trade, don't try to force out. Even I explain theoretically here, it's again SR break, flip fully this candle, and then this candle make a wick up and break down, but not in this candle. Check this candle how to open to see It's a normal as a reaction, but more away from open, it's slower volume. Okay, let's look at open the new candle. Because look, here was a very nice volume, but in the last minute. If it's not happening in the last minute, we close in the first five minutes. After rejected, break up. Now again going down. And every candle, mainly on the sideway, will slower and slower. What I mean slower, slower. Break down 5 pips. After pulling back, maybe again breaking down. But let's see. Theoretically, here you have a confirm, but not the best third candle or fifth. But you can check if you leave the levels. You can after check how to work, how to react. We slow the market and we don't will have big push from a news. But we'll be struggling here, once break here, once break here, here. Till once break fully the London high or the London low. Look, this candlestick rejected. This and this, making a stop. This one I have between this. Okay, this line. The market reacting for this. It's not about reacting, not reacting. If you have for a breakout confirmation or not. What I said. If you take a trade and you don't close around 8 or 10 pips, and now you just believe, again will break down, again don't close, again maybe reject and after continue up. Because here is a lower volume. You see the big candle, but big candle it's not equal the volume. Now going to tap the 50 somewhere here. I can check for you. $86. That's around. Again, before news, it's breaking down, retesting in the last minute. We will push down, push up. We'll see. By the way, it's a nice push if you normally scalp, okay. If you normally scalp and you see this again, and after flipping, you can enter here on the previous high and hold scalp 60 70 pips with a risk 20 pips. 20 pips fully safe. If you don't have too big spread, too big spread. But this is a scalp entries. And we have here tickscalping. It's not the same. Don't make a wick up and start pushing down. And stop before this level. Now it's a question if reject them at 15, don't reject them at 15. And mainly decreasing the volume. That you understand. It's not good for tickscalping. But here I think go down 5, 7, back 10 pips. For the entry, and again after pull, push it down. And here again struggling on 15 and after break. Incoming the news. Don't force. No. We'll see tomorrow, or if you are in or up, you can try US30 for 1 week if you wanna. If you want to know how, DM me. I explain. We open because so many people wanna try US30 tickscalping after seeing social media, whatever. Say just the one thing. It's a more easy to look how it's, but it's more simpler if you learn the system and the rules. But people may be saying, I just go down, it's too fast. Yes, because you understand the system, how how they work. If you think this is too fast, good luck. But it's learnable. For me too, as US30, I got there, and I just check first horse. I click a buy, click a sell, and tips and close. What? We are open and close. Why? And look, after I crafted based on my friend strategy here, same 4 rows, same confirmation. It's 90% same strategy. Just here, you need to wait more break ups, and mostly it's a slower. But everything you after 1 year, it's not so impossible. Not so impossible. Some people do these live trading sessions, and it's learnable. But we need to start from basics. Okay, we'll see morning or afternoon. Bye bye, guys.